everybody. Now we are seeing the 10th lesson, Unit 1st, Outbreak of the World War First and its aftermath. What's the meaning of the aftermath? Result. It's a result of the First World War. Occurring the first most important learning objectives. We must know the objectives of the lesson. Rise of the colonies leading to the rivalry, then clashes among the great powers of the Euros, emergence of the Japan, strongest and most aggressive powers in the East Asia. Then colonization as the importance of the Africa, causes, result of the First World War. The Treaty of the Versailles and its the provisions. Then causes, outcomes of the Russian Revolution, foundation, functioning after the failures of the League of Nations. We must see the introduction. In the introduction, we know what's the meaning of the World War. World War means at that time European countries and the world countries, Asia, Africa, Russia, China, all of these lessons also directly or indirectly took part in this war. So this war is called the First World War. 1914 of the turning point in the world history. It's a political, social process that began in the 1789. It's a First World War broke out in that period. Then directly entered in the all the world country. Of course, the 20th century also. The historians called this century is the longest 19th century. Why? Because so many war occurred in this period. So the longest 19th century also called. It is also used the first industrial war. Also economic resources of the entire the world. It affected the large section of the civilian population also. In this time, political map also redrawn in this world. The three major powers shattered by the end of the war: Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. The biggest outbreak of the war was the Russian Revolution. In this period, Russian Revolution also formed. It was the unique evident also first revolution in the world history. At the first time, the countries tried to bring about the world peace. So, they formed the League of Nations. The League of Nations formed in the 1920. In this lesson, we discuss about the circumstance leading to the outbreak of the First World. This is the part 1. Russian Revolution, then League of Nations, International Peace Organization, namely the League of Nations. Then scramble of the Africa. What's the meaning of the scramble? Patri Erudal, reformations. Then capitalist countries raised for the marketing. The aim of the capitalist countries industry was the produced more and more. It produced the more and more. The surplus of the wealth thus produced was used to build the more factories, railways, steamships and other undertakings. The revolution of means the communication transportation in the latter half of the 19th century. The facilities of the process the European expansion of the Africa and other places. The capitalism produced the huge contrast. Contrast means difference. The extreme poverty, extreme wealth, slums, skyscraper, empires, states, they depending upon the exploited the colony. In this time, 19th century, the Europeans emerged the dominate of the powers in the world, for particularly Asia, then Africa. England held the predominant position in the world leader. It is the leader of the capitalism. As per the growing demand for the marketing and raw materials are made the capitalist powers. All the capitalist power entered into the race around the world powers. Then rise of the monopoly capitalism. In 1870, the alliance of the industry, the financing, seeking the profits in the market. Each and every countries entered into the checking the profits for the goods, capitals and etc. The characteristic of the imperialism became the evidence of the latter half of the 19th century. The old ideas were fully collapsed. It is the free trade. Free trade is also the collapsed. There were the trusted for the USA and cartel in the Germany. So the powerful countries entered into the corporation dominated the totally dominated the governments. Then imperialist and its essential characteristic. The capitalism inevitable lead to the imperialism. According to the Lenin's words, the imperialism is the highest stage of the capitalism. Besides being the marketing for the surplus goods, colonies served under another purpose. In the large scale means the producing needed the large profits. Supplying the raw materials, for example, rubber, oil, nitrates, sugar, cotton, tropical foodstuffs, materials also raw material. These are also called the raw materials. It is necessary to the monopoly capitalist. Each and every country wanted to become the big capitalist country. So they entered into the race and the imperialism essential characteristic. It gave the total system and the logic of the total militarization and the total war. Then imperialism. Imperialism means the highest stage of the capitalism. Mass of the production need the vast supply of the raw materials. Imperialism was the not just about the colonies. It became the total of the militarization and the total of the war. England is became the 18th and 19th century. England, it became the capturing the all of the world, European powers and the Asia, Africa. These also captured by the England. This is called the Imperialism Act. Then rivalry of the great powers. Each and every time, the European powers made the rivalry with themselves, fight with themselves. European powers had colonized many other countries. By the 18, most of the Asian countries became the colonized except the Africa. Africa only the left. In this time, 1881 to the 1914, Africa also became the colonies of the Europe, England, Germany also. In the 19th century, the dominating position by the Europe. Germany also captured colonies from the England. So it grabbed other position. Each of the countries to become the grabs other position. After the 18th century, England, France, Belgium, Italy and Germany joined the crumpling of the colonies. Then clashes with the great powers. Each and every powers quarreling between themselves. Despite of the leads the natural industries of the growth, the control of the vast empire of the England. England is not satisfied. So England was the competition with the Germany and the United States, which was the pursuing cheaper manufacturing goods. This captured the England market by the Germany. The national rivalry between frequently clashes between in the Asia and Africa places in the colony places. Then Russia rise of the Japan. In Asia, Japan during this period it became the strong and strong in the Western nation. It became the equal to the many respects. It was the imitating the Western countries. For example, education, machinery with the modern army, navy, etc. Japan had also emerged the advanced industrial powers also. It also followed the imperialist aggression also copied by the Europeans. In this time, 1894, it became the war about the China. The crushing defeat the China by the Little Japan. In this Sino-Japanese war, 1894-95, in this time, the large country was defeated by small countries, little countries. It proved the Japanese powers. At the same time, Russia, Germany, France, these also affecting by these victories. Japan annexed the Liaotung Peninsula with the Port Arthur. By this action, Japan proved it was the strongest nation in the East Asia. However, the view of the pressure surmounted the European powers. It gave the great pressure to the European powers. Soon gave is the calm over the Port Arthur. Russia took the advantages to the it sent to the army to the Manchuria. Japan entered the one alliance with England 1902. It dominated that Russia withdraw the troops from the Manchuria. Russia understanding the powers of the Japan. Japan proved its strength. 1904, it became the two countries, the Russo-Japanese War. It followed the wars. Japan defeated the Great Russia. It got back to the Port Arthur. After this war, Japan also entered the charmed circle of the great powers. Then this picture is given the Russo-Japanese wars. Japan got a victory. These also Japanese war places. Then it be Japan and Russia proved their strength. Then strong armed diplomacy of the Japan. 1905, Japan took the control of the Korean domestic and the foreign policy. Japan also followed the policy of the domestic and foreign policy. The assassination also prominent the Japan diplomat provided into the excuse the 1910 Japanese annexation of the Korea. Some confusion followed in the Chinese Manchu dynasty 1912. It also the help to the Japan to follow the diplomacy. Japan now demanded not only the transfer the German rights in the Shantung in the Japan, it recognized the Japan hold the Manchuria also. The appointment of the Japanese advisor of the Chinese government also very weakened. There is a strong armed diplomacy around the hostility of the both China and the European powers. Anyhow, the Japan became the third strong powers. Then colonization of the fallouts. In 1876, barely 10% of the Africa was entire under the control of the European powers, but 1900 particularly Africa fully colonized by the Britain, France, Belgium, and it's also divided the Africas. German and Italy took some parts. Then Britain, France, Russia, Germany also the spheres of the influence in the China. Japan took the over the Korea and Taiwan. France conquered the Indochina. US took the part of the Philippines and from it get from the Swedes. Then Britain and Russia also they entered into the Iran. The first European attempts in the curve crushed the colonies in the Africa resulted in the bloody shuttle war. The French had to the fight along with the Peter War. Then conquering the Algeria and the Senegal. Then British also the Zulus and the Sunda's army. Then Italian army the suffered the devastating the defeat the at the hands of the Erythrean army of the Advana. So we are seeing the circumstance of the before the first world war. After is a we follow the first world war the causes and causes results of the war. The next time, okay. Thank you.